If you're experiencing login failures in Valorant, there are several quick fixes you can try to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to enhance your chances of successfully logging in. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Riot Games server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Valorant completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update your game. Make sure that Valorant is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates in the Riot Games client and install them if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall and then reinstall Valorant. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login problems in Valorant. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.